one fucking time. Jesus. Sorry, I shouldn't. Oh, I guess I bought a side-by-side.
So the knuckle broke here. Oops. Actually, I should be able to unhook it. Oh, great. That's good. That's a rope? Nice. Just
something to hook around. Oh, never mind.
Just, oh, there you go. I think actually everything else looks pretty good. What's that? So is it gonna want to pull that into the ground, probably in the dirt? Here.
You pull, I'll do that.
Actually, not bad. It looks. We
I'm just sure about wrench. I took it off. Up anyways, right? So.
Yeah, it's bent.
Oh,
Turn your wheel the other way. Here, if I just. Oh, we should have put it in neutral.
it's in high though, so.
Oh. What's that?
Yeah, I'll put it down. You can instead of an inch.
That's right. What's that? I think you're right. I think it is okay.
But that's what. I wonder if that actually broke second. If it just broke this off after it bent the bottom in.
The ball joint popped out. Yeah, just.
Oh, no, it didn't did that. Popped the bottom one out.
Yeah, but.
No, oh, sorry, that is the bottom one. So it broke the bottom off. Broke this one off.
Yeah, and just popped the top ball joint out. Well, because it was probably got at an angle and just popped it out. So it probably saved this actually. You'll be able to tell, well, looks okay. Just pull ahead a little bit with the truck. You put in park? Okay. I don't actually think it bent the roll cage. Oh fuck.
Okay, you're gonna get on? Just leave it like that? Oh, we just try 50.
Yeah, just go slow. Be fine. I think it only wrecked the bottom and maybe the tie rod, but
And
the knuckle, but oh, I'll turn it off. But okay. Hit that, landed there, landed on the front wheel, just kind of skidded up to there, so. So here she lays. I got some parts ordered for it. Just the upper ball joint, the steering knuckle, and the brake cable, I guess, and lower A-arm, but. The worst thing is probably going to be changing the brake line because it twins off there, but pretty minor fix anyways, considering. But definitely be checking the other knuckle because it just looks like it just snapped off, but which it should have done that off that little jump. This one looks okay, but pretty weak. But he also said he had his brakes on when he landed, so probably just so much force on that one side, and it just sheared it off and then just popped the ball joint right of the top one. But oh well. Here's the brake line, just tees off there and goes to the master cylinder, so you got to change both sides. But make a video when I get the parts, fixing it.